My name's Rob Seven. I'm one of the principal engineers on the Sentient Aware team. I'm here today to talk to you about what Sentient Aware is and how it can help increase conversion and engagement on your retail site. Sentient Aware is an AI-powered personal shopper and recommendations engine that seamlessly integrates with your storefront and is optimized for click and touch based interactions. So how does it work? Well, we use state-of-the-art deep learning techniques to take your product catalog and break it up into thousands of dimensions of features. And with our proprietary computer vision, we understand these products stylistically at a human level. On top of that, we will then apply intelligent algorithms that will help guide the shopper through the catalog to the perfect product they want to buy. So even with our basic product recommendations, in custom implementations, we've seen increases in click-through and conversion rates of between 5 and 10%. And when we apply our more advanced Aware components, we see 2x uplifts in conversion on desktop and 3x uplift on mobile. And that's versus standard e-commerce search techniques. So, some common questions we get on Aware. Do you need all my historic data and attributes? No. The beauty of Aware's design is that it allows for high-quality models to be built from just product inventory. What type of data does Aware need, and how do you access it? Customers send us regular product feeds, as you would any affiliate. As your inventory changes, Aware will learn and adapt, updating to reflect your latest product lines. How long does it take to implement? If a customer uses our out-of-the-box JavaScript library, an implementation can be finished in just a few days. So how do we go about implementing Sentient Aware with a retailer? Let me show you how. So the first thing we need to do is import the Sentient script tag from the CDN and place it on the host page. It's going to bring in all the code that's needed to bring in these UI widgets and place them on the page. Then, going to add in a couple of different points for Sentient widgets to be put onto the page. So in this example, there are two. There's a container to hold our personal shopper experience and a container to hold our basic recommendations UI. And then finally, we need to add in the script that contains the code for the basic customer integration. Once we've got that script imported, let's switch over to that file and start editing it. Okay, so now we've switched over to the example implementation file, you'll see there's a little bit of scaffolding in place already. Mainly this involves calling our initialization function and some configuration parameters. So first of all, we want to add in a customer user session ID. What this helps us do is take your customer session and match it with our session IDs to allow for better analytics once the results come in. Next, we want to add in some template methods for integration with your code. While Sentient Aware handles most of the complexity of an integration, there are certain touch points where we need to integrate with the customer code. And that's what we're doing here with these 3 template methods that I've placed here. What this allows us to do is retrieve extra details that Sentient Aware does not know about the products already, bring in further hero images that we want to show on the PDP, and implement what it means to go to a product. So first, let's implement get hero images. All that's required here is that we're going to pass an array of the URLs of the hero images for the PDP. Additionally, what we need to do now is merge together Sentient Aware's information about the product and the customer's information about the product into a single object that we'll pass back into the Aware system to display on the page. Next up, let's implement go to product. That's a very easy one where we just need to open a new page for that product PDP. Now that we've got all of these methods implemented, we're going to pass them into the Sentient Aware initialization function. Finally, we need to use a field that will identify the hierarchy of the system. In this case, we know that switching color is going to load for us a new visually distinct item that we need to show on the page. If you want a more customized implementation, then we also offer an SDK that allows you to work with just the data and put your own UI on the experience. And that's it. So with less than 100 lines of code, we have enough for a fully working implementation of the Sentient Aware product. Once again, I'm Rob Seven, a principal engineer at Sentient. Thanks for watching, and for more information, visit us at sentient.ai/aware.